Welcome in, Art Peeps. Got something special for you guys this weekend. We got a Black Santa that we are doing a little bit different, switch it up a little bit. Actually, a bunch of different races for Santa that fits your race that you guys can do or your skin color. Show you a whole bunch of different options as we go through this, but I'm going to start out right in the middle of the paper, probably about as big as my fist right here. First big shape that I'm going to do is his beard is going to be kind of like a circle shape. From there, you can go a line up to the side, up to this side, and then on each of those, you can give him a little ear on this side, and then connect that. That's going to be his kind of forehead with an arched line on there. Awesome. And then we're going to do his Santa hat on top. And there's a whole bunch of examples coming up, so stay tuned. Which has the little kind of white ring around it. It's going to go up and then over, all the way across on this side. And then for his Santa hat, I'm going to do a big line with a little bit of a curve. This one kind of meet up, and right in between that, a big circle for the ball on his Santa hat. I like that. Nice. And then for his eyes or his facial features and his skin tone, we're going to talk about all the different things that you can do, all the different shapes for eyes, mouth, expressions. We always talk in my class when we do facial expressions, really, and you can see by all the different kind of emoji characters, you can do a lot of different expressions on here. So you decide how your Santa wants. So I'm going to give him some nice big eyes on mine, big circles. I want to make them big enough that I can fit some other circles inside. 1, 2, and then I'm going to leave a little space in the middle. Like I said, whole bunch of options. You can either watch mine or wait till I get done and show you all the different options. For his nose, I'm just going to do a little curved line there. And then for his mouth, I'm going to put a little opening in his beard. And then he's going to have a big opening in his mouth. Maybe saying ho ho ho. Little line on each of his ears. All right, and I'm done. I'm gonna go over this in Sharpie real quick and I'll show you some of my other options. My Black Santa, which looks very white right now, but I'm going to show you a whole bunch of different options. I actually came across a couple different inspirations for this. I've seen Black Santa ugly sweater, which was really cool the first time I saw a Black Santa, and then I saw this awesome YouTuber that looks like he's a dad that started out drawing with his son, which kind of inspired me because I draw with my son all the time. So I have a whole bunch of different ones of these with different facial expressions. That one's just kind of a normal one. This kind of is like a sleepy Santa. This is kind of the similar one to there. So I'm going to do these in all different skin tones and switch it up and just give you a lot of different options and varieties on this one. So let's go through that really fast. They are, bam, look at how awesome they all look. Everyone looks a little bit different and unique and interesting. I like this one. He's kind of sleeping down here. Maybe he's resting up before the big delivery of all the presents. This one kind of looks like a baby with a pacifier on here, but this is the Black Santa that I did. I actually did a whole bunch of different versions just to kind of spread all sorts of holiday cheer all around the country. No matter what nationality or skin tone that you have, you should have a Santa that represents fits your culture. So that's why I did a whole bunch of these on any different color of paper, and they look just as cool, whichever one that you set them on. So have some fun with this. And I actually got a little twist. Also, I took some paint and just kind of painted my little tip of my brush here. I kind of used it all up, but then I just kind of splattered down here. So that's how I kind of displayed, and that's how I displayed it on here. It almost looks like snow in the background, or maybe he's flying through space on his sleigh. So as always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Black Santa, and we will talk to you guys later.